Good morning, beautiful people. So I am on my way to work. I just got back from Houston last night, and well, let me give you guys my weight loss update. So pretty much, your girl gained 7 pounds, but that's because I wasn't even doing right before I left for Houston. But yeah, some of it's partly water weight, so I'm not too worried about it. I can easily knock those 7 pounds off the scale this week, honestly. So I'm back to keto. I'm back to intermittent fasting. And the good thing about all of this is that I got my family's doing it. So my brother and his girlfriend are going to be doing it, and my mom as well. My brother, they're all in Houston, so he's going to be helping my mom out since I'm not there. To, kind of get the right foods to eat. So we're all doing keto. So I hope after Thanksgiving, everyone's back on their diets or lifestyle changes, because I am, and I'm excited to be back on keto, because eating all them carbs, yes, they taste good, but it don't feel good. And I'm back. I want to be back to eating my low carb diet. Yes, sir. I'll talk to you guys later. So yeah, I'm driving, and it's kind of weird that I'm not looking at y'all as I'm driving. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all. So I look a little rough, but it's okay. I'm about to take y'all with me to the grocery store. I'm gonna do a little. I wouldn't say it's a grocery haul, but I guess so. So, put this in the back seat. This is my first time out vlogging with my vlogging stick and everything. So I hope people don't look at me crazy. Well, shoot, anybody with a camera, people gonna be looking at what you doing with that camera? So, we shall see. Okay. So I'm the person who buys these. I don't care. I like to pay for convenience. Yes, I pay $2.17. I need some bell peppers. I need some tomatoes to make my Nigerian style eggs. Y'all, it's hella awkward vlogging in public. People are legit looking at me like I'm crazy. But hell, I really want to take y'all on this grocery haul, I look a little crazy, but shoot, I don't care. Let's take the back way. Alright, so all of this right here is a no. Okay? So just because it's chicken doesn't mean it's gonna be keto friendly, because all the stuff they use flour to fry it or whatever, so it's hella high in carbs, which I do like to eat stuff like this. Sometimes it's just convenient to just throw in the chicken nuggets and some fries and call it a day, but this is a no. What you want to do is get you some fresh meat. So now that I'm looking at it, I kind of want to do the chicken thighs, the ones with the bones, just because I haven't had it in a while. This and some chicken breasts, and then I like to get these chicken wings as well too. I like wings, but I've been eating wings a lot. I think I'm just gonna do the chicken thigh today. So you get all of this. $5.03, not too bad. HEB is pretty good on the prices. And these are the chicken breasts that I like to get. They're huge, big, and I just like to make my creamy crock pot chicken with. Is this the green that I get? I guess they got a new design, so let me get this. So you get 6 large chicken breasts for $11.66. Look, you guys, they have what I wanted. I can use these to make my low carb nacho. I'm not gonna be getting this today, but this is the beef sausage that I like to eat. I think it tastes amazing. Y'all, look at my babies. I love the Bang energy drinks. This is probably one of like my favorite ones is the purple gobbler pear. The way I can describe that it tastes like to me is honestly like pineapple soda. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. All right, so I need some sandwich meat to make like my breakfast sandwich. I like to use this and then like this other sausage that I get from Sprouts. What do I want? What did I get last time? I think I got the mesquite smoked ham, but I want this in a bigger thing because I actually really like it. So I'm gonna get this. Dun dun dun. The aisle that will get you fat. But I just need some low carb tortillas so I can make like my low carb nachos. The brand that I like, I got it from Target. And I don't see it. Like I see these, but I low-key don't want this. I want the one I got from Target. It's 70 calories for 1 tortilla, 15 grams of carbohydrates with 9 grams of dietary fiber. So 15 minus 9 is 6. So this isn't too bad. I like my sharp cheddar cheese. 2 bags of this almond flour. Alright, looks like this is what my cart is looking like. $94.85, y'all. I swear keto is expensive. Approved, unfortunately. But luckily, y'all, tomorrow's payday, so it's all cool. Okay, guys, so this is my entire grocery haul, or groceries. I spent $94 at, what's that place called? HEB, and then I actually did end up going to Sprouts, and I got the Pedersen sausage patty that I really like. I got 3 packs. This is all they had left. I bought all 3. Like literally my favorite sausage patty. I got some pulled pork. Got 2 things of bacon. Got some meats. You guys, you know, this is the grocery store. Eggs, y'all. Keto is expensive. If you want to do this diet, make sure you're ready to actually do this diet because it's expensive as hell. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put all this up. I actually have not eaten dinner. I literally spent the last 2 hours at the grocery store. Like, there was traffic to get there. Then at the grocery store, I went to 3 separate stores. I went to HEB, I went to Sprouts, and I also went to Walmart. I didn't get any food from Walmart. So this has been a whole little trip. Like, literally, I've been gone for like 2 hours now at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and take a shower and then figure out what I want to eat for dinner. So I'll probably see you guys, probably not tomorrow. Probably won't be vlogging tomorrow. I have a wedding on Saturday. So I'll be taking you guys with me to the wedding. So yeah. All right, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys. Why am I doing this? I know this is annoying, touching my hair. I don't even do that. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? You guys, this is keto for you. Red. You snatched. This is...
No, we're taking it with photo. Oh, Dummy.
This is from my YouTube video. We're vlogging.
Oh, are we vlogging? I don't know what is that what we're doing?
Yes. Okay. Stand back so they can see the whole fit. Okay. You guys are probably wondering what I'm doing here. I'm not dressed like the rest of the bridesmaids. Well, that was the makeup first. You guys, I didn't eat breakfast and I'm literally starving, but I'm still trying to stick to keto. So just went to Five Guys and got me a bunless burger. Y'all, I'm about to demolish this cheeseburger, okay? Okay? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? It's a bunless burger. Y'all see it? Okay, I didn't ask you. To be honest with you guys, I don't think I'm gonna eat keto tonight. That's just me telling the truth. Because, listen, I'm Nigerian. And when I see rice, I can't resist. So, at least let me stick to keto right now. Because tonight I might not. I think I've already made up my mind that I'm not going to. So, I'm just letting y'all know that I have failed y'all because I'm not eating keto tonight. But I will be snatched before it's dinner time. Got the groom here.
Yeah. All day. Keep us That's my level.
Face beat by me. Face beat by me.
No, just
beat by me. She does her own makeup.
Hi, YouTube channel.
That's how you say hi to my subscribers?
Yes, hello.
Hey, Sister Laura. You guys, the wedding was so beautiful. It was like gorgeous. Look at this. Look at all those people behind us. It's time for us to get married too. Okay, gonna need someone to wipe me up real quick. We got MJ in the house. Look at the outfit. Look at the fit. Look at the fit. Okay. We got Elizabeth in the house. Look at the fit. Look at the fit. Oh, we got EK in the house. Okay. Oh. Oh, wait. Come on.
Oh my God.
Who we got over here? We got Miss Toasted over here. All right. They're all single. Someone come right here. We got Riri. Rita, say hey to my subscribers. Say hey to my subscribers.
I got my dress.
My subscribers.
It was not on YouTube.
Last night was so much fun. Don't judge me, okay? Do not judge me. But I did want to say this, y'all. Look at my braids, right? Well, except for this one. Look at these braids. I've had these braids since September 15th, and they still look good. Granted, they need to come out of my head because I cannot carry this head with me till 2019. But I'm just too lazy to take them out because, you know, they just look so good still. Except for my edges. The edges. Nunca de newest couple in time. You guys, it's a video.
Oh, okay.
They really are both of you.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so I think this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. It's Monday. Whew, this weekend was fun. I just got back from the gym. So yeah, I'm about to eat some dinner. I didn't eat lunch today, you guys. Like, I haven't eaten since yesterday around this time. And I think it's because I was a little anxious today at work because, you know, I was just a little anxious. And so I just didn't have the stomach to eat. So I didn't eat anything, but I'm going to go ahead and make some bunless burgers. Just keep it pretty simple, and then take a shower, go to sleep, because I got to be up at 5:15 tomorrow for my morning workouts, which, with the way I'm feeling right now, I might just skip it and do my workout in the afternoon. We'll see. Let me see how I'm feeling in the morning, because right now I want to start editing this vlog. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.